Hello guys, welcome to Ribbit's World. Today we are reviewing Vaccum SC4570 vacuum cleaner. So let's get started with reviewing this box and unboxing.
If you see this box, this is the box which we get it from Amazon directly. There is no separate boxing or something, no packaging else, no other packaging. It is this kind of packaging we received. This is the main package. If you see over here, it is written SC4570, and here how to clean the after you using or after you use this one, how to clean it. So this is the process, 1 2 3, these are the process. It has been mentioned over here, and it's a black color. And if you see over here, it is also mentioned slide handle control, so that we will demonstrate how to use it and how to work, and what will be the basic features and what are the parameters. Everything we will explain. So you can see we're just unboxing it. You can see this is the extension. I think we'll check it. This is the tube which will be used for the suction. Except that, the packaging is not very good. It's very so. This is, I think, warranty. This is the vacuum cleaner user manual, and here is the main thing which will be used for the daily purpose. You can see this is the roller, and this is the suction place from where the dust will be sucked inside. Except that there is nothing. And you see how we receive it. We receive it like that way. Here there is some gear. I don't know. I think everything will be fine. So let's take it out. Yeah. So you can see this is exactly looks like. It looks very handy. I don't know how the build quality, but it's plastic. You can see this is plastic. These are the switches, or these are the features. This is, I think, on off. We'll check it. And this is the wheel which will be used to carry it. Except that there is another thing here. This also another peripherals of this. So that's all. This is the things we have unboxed.
So this is the machine, this is the extension, this is the suction tube, and this is from where it will be sucked from. So we'll show you a demo of the vacuum cleaner real quick.
You can see this is the cable for power, and once it is used or you have completed the using of this vacuum cleaner, then you can press this switch, which will take it back. So this looks good. And regarding the filter, if you see, here is a filter. This is the filter which will be used for clean the air actually, because when it sucks, it also throw out the air. So from here all the dust will be filtered and the clean air will come out. So it is a washable. We can wash it, we can take it out and we can wash it. So let's put it back. Except that this is the, so once you complete your using or once it's done, so to clean it you just need to take it out and you need to remove this cover, and you see all the dust will come over here. So you just need to empty it on your recycle bin. So that's all. So there is no separate use of bag, so it's a bagless, and cleaning also very efficient or very easy to use. It's user friendly as well. So once you make it empty, then you need to put it again. That's all. So once you complete your using or once it's done, so to clean it you just need to take it out and you need to remove this cover, and you see all the dust will come over here. So you just need to empty it on your recycle bin. So that's all. So there is no separate use of bag, so it's a bagless, and cleaning also very efficient or very easy to use. It's user friendly as well. So once you make it empty, then you need to put it again. That's all.
So let's turn it on. There you can see some dirt.
Yes.
So let's turn it on. This switch is used to extend this.
Okay.
So like you can even mop with it, kind of.
And it is also good for not only the floor but also for the carpet, and also if you can clean sofas and all the corners, everything, because there are other peripherals also. You just need to change that and you can use it.
And you can even extend this.
Yeah, so it's extendable also. And if you see, it is just lying on the floor. It's look good, and it's very handy and you can carry anywhere. So overall it's not a bad product at all. And when you want some kind of vacuum cleaner which is pocket friendly, you can go with it, because it is coming from Samsung, so branded thing, and working is also good, and build quality good, looking good. So this is overall our review of this Samsung SC4570 vacuum cleaner. So based on this review, you can decide whether you need to purchase or not, but for us it's look good.
Yeah. So bye bye, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to buy this product, click the link in the description below. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe so you can see a lot more reviews like this. Bye.